There, no.
You're not even doing anything, dog.
Touching the dog's back.
It's still moving.
And it stops now.
Yeah, see, we couldn't keep this dog because this is what it would do all the time. Because every time it sees Monster, this is what it does. Oh, Monster's got its ear. That's right, you fight back. Rape.
But she doesn't have a pee-pee. What the heck? Dog's just moving.
The dog looks more like it's doing a dance. Now Monster's just giving up. Fine. Okay, Logan, you can go play with her if you want to play with him. No, Logan, don't do that. Don't sit on the dog. Don't hurt the dog.
Okay, this feels weird.
Logan, get up.
It feels like a little bumpy thing. Because I'm bouncing up and down.
I'm going to have you watch this when you're older and we'll see what you think. Oh, there it goes.
Right in the face. Right in the face. You should go down and show it.
No, that's okay. What? Oh,
What?
a little... Alright.
A little what?
Nothing.
A little what?
Nothing, Logan. I can't talk to you about stuff. Anyway, okay, you want to take take Monster inside? That dog is desperate for some loving.